Let's unpack the controversy swirling around businessman Wako ndozvataurwa and an alleged audio leak that could ripple through the highest levels of government. Known for his lavish lifestyle and close ties with top officials, Chivhayo finds himself at the center of a storm after audios surfaced online, supposedly capturing his voice. In these recordings, he's heard claiming to have President Emerson Mnangagwa in his pocket and detailing corrupt dealings involving Million. Chivhayo vehemently denies these claims. He attributes the recordings to advanced artificial intelligence technology used to clone his voice. Yes, you heard that right, AI cloning voices. He labels his accusers as overzealous extortionists and distances himself from any wrongdoing. These audios have thrown a spotlight on President Mnangagwa's administration, with fingers pointing at possible corruption. Presidential spokesperson George Charamba stepped up, dismissing the audios as fakes aimed at tarnishing the president's image. But the question remains, are these audios genuine or just a sophisticated smear campaign? This saga not only highlights the power of technology in modern politics, but also raises alarms about how it can be used or misused. Imagine if AI can convincingly mimic voices, what's stopping it from creating fake endorsements or confessions? It's a slippery slope, and Zimbabwe is currently sliding. As we delve deeper, let's not forget the human aspect. Real people, real careers, and the stability of a country hang in the balance. If these allegations prove true, it could lead to significant political shifts. If false, it underscores the need for robust safeguards against digital manipulation. So what do you think? Is this the tip of an iceberg of corruption, or just a case of high-tech character assassination? The implications are profound either way. Stay tuned as this story develops, and remember, in today's digital age, the truth might just be stranger than fiction.